When you are in Botswana on a Sunday, you hear people saying TP referring to Sunday or Sonntag. That is because on Sundays in Botswana back then, churches used to ring a bell to let people know what time it was because we didn't have watches and stuff. So people just adopted that, like today, Ketetsila Tip, which means like most of the churches will be making those. I don't know. I'm actually making this up, so I'm just assuming. If you're Motswana, let me know. Also, Sonntag, I feel like it was adopted from the Africans. I don't know. I know like Tag is day in Afrikaans, so it's kind of like maybe Tswanalized Afrikaans. So yeah, Sonntag means Sunday, and TP means Sunday as well, which also TP means metal. If you have not noticed that from the other lessons that we